Okay, it's been a while since I've been out here to the lake, and I'm going to show you some flooding that was going on. Let me format this SD card. It's going to be filmed in 1080 because I got to put dashware on it later, and it won't do it in 4K. So we are about to take off here. All right, here we go.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
They're also building a construction. They're redoing this road over here. So we're about to, let me bring this thing down some. Unfortunately, I'm flying into the sun, which isn't the best thing to do right now. But I ain't got much of an option. But coming back, it'll be the other way around. Let's see. This is where they're going to widen this road. They're building a bridge, and sometime next month they're going to close this down and make a detour, so it'll be closed to traffic for like the next couple of years. So basically that's what it boils down. This is Highway 92 going from Cobb Parkway to Acworth, and also all this rain we've been getting, the lake is very high. It's like almost 10 feet higher than it's supposed to be, and it's flooding parts of the area. I don't know if I can reach. Already wasted some battery here hovering over that construction site, but I'm going to try to get us over there. Fly over to a beach that's over. Well, you've seen everything from a year ago. Nothing spectacular. Go up some.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Yeah, I only got the thing set at about just under 400 feet, so it's not going to go much higher. There's Cobb Parkway, and right now I'm 6,500 feet out. Got a mile and a half or so. Yeah, let's see. Okay, now I'm going to follow Cobb Parkway back to Highway 92. There's a railroad track right below me. I'm heading south right now. And I'm 6,700 feet away. Okay, I'm going to take a left. I'll be heading back toward Acworth. And I'm going to bring it down. $5,000 feet away. See, here's where they're clearing all this land. They're going to make the road. They're going to build a road next to the old road and make it 4-lane. And I'm going to stop the video and take a picture. Okay. I keep forgetting about this stupid thing. I gotta turn it off to take a picture. It's been a while since I've flown this, obviously. Okay, so we're back recording video. And I'm gonna bring it back to the park where I'm at. Even the park's partially underwater. You'll see it here as we come in. Bring it down. Okay, I'm 50 feet off the water right now. I'll put it back in regular cruising mode. "46 feet. As you can see, the fence, everything's underwater. There's my drone, I can see it now. Let me stop the video, take a picture. Alright.